Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you my compact thermal imaging camera that I picked up off from Amazon. It's called the Seek Thermo. It's not quite as advanced as the FLIR, but it does a pretty good job. And there's people out there that do a pretty good comparison of the two. For a couple $100, I'm real impressed with this. Why did I buy it? Just because it was a cool thing to get. So, what was kind of strange about the whole thing is when I got it, it came in this relatively large box. Well, when I opened up the box and started getting closer and closer to it, I realized that it's actually relatively small. It's got a nice little protective case here. Opening us up here, and there it is. There's not a lot to it. It's very little. So the iPad does all the processing. This is just the camera. I went with the iOS for my iPad. You can also get this in the Android as well. So let's go ahead and wander around the house and take some interesting video. So here's the first shot right here. It's me, and it's kind of crazy. It's amazing what this thing picks up. Not very detailed. It has a focus on it, and I have focused a little bit, but that's about the best I can get it. And here's the electrical panel. I've got 3 breakers that are a little warm. This is definitely noticeable on the FLIR ICO line, that you can actually see the outline of what breakers are kind of warm. So, I mean, I know it's these 2 right here, and it's this one up here. So, again, with a FLIR, it's a little bit more better quality. Okay, now I'm in here in the kitchen, and you can see that the faucet, that's the faucet right here. Again, it's not as clear as the FLIR from what I've seen online and stuff, but you get an idea what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the cold first, and you can clearly see here that it's detecting the cold water. Really cool. And you watch the sink itself, it'll start getting a little cold, and you look on the right hand side. Last time I did this, even the handle was starting to show a little cold. So that's the cold water. And maybe it's not going to do it this time, but last time, there it is, it's starting to show a little colder now on the right hand side. So that's showing cold. Now, it's showing that the top of the faucet here is showing hot. I think what that is it's a reflection is what's happening. Alright, so it's going a little this way. That's cold. Alright, and you can see the right hand of the faucet. It's kind of cold. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the cold and turn on the hot. And watch this. This is cool. And again, the faucet itself should start showing warmer temperature as well. You can just barely see it starting to come into play. And that is water. Pretty cool. One thing I did not do is kind of splash it around a little bit here. Kind of cool. Alright, and that is water. Alright, and this is the boiler. This is the one you most commonly see online, people showing off the boiler and stuff like that. So let me see if I can try to focus a little bit. The focus, not too bad. You can understand what you're seeing if you understand boilers a little bit. So there's the boiler. Okay, what you're seeing there is the emergency light in my wife's garage. So it's just the battery probably inside the emergency light where it's being charged, kept charged all the time until the power goes out. So that's what you're seeing there. Hey kitty cat. Where is she? There she is. A little kitty cat running around, just kind of taking it easy. So there she is right there. I'll come over and visit. There's the cat. Okay, this is my favorite. This is just a bare sheetrock wall, and I'm going to put my hand there, and we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. Crazy. You know, for the price of this little unit, I mean, you just can't beat it. Well, there it is. Kind of a neat little thing to fool around with. I really haven't found anything that I could do with it that made sense, but a fun little toy to play with. But again, it's just a little tiny thing that you just plug into your iPad or your iPhone. Again, you can get this with Android. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of fun to play with, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.